Everyone, welcome to ACM at CSUF's first meeting for spring of 2021. We have a whole new set of initiatives and, as you can see, a brand new look as well. I'd like to introduce you to Frank. They are our ACM mascot. We'll be doing a little showing up in our server as an emote and probably making other appearances as well. So keep an eye out for Frank. So who are we? Basically, ACM is the Association for Computing Machinery at Cal State Fullerton. You can call us ACM for short. In a nutshell, we're the largest tech community on campus, ranging around currently, I think at this point, 390 plus members. Yeah, if you want to get in touch with the bigger tech community at large, definitely feel free to hit us up on our Discord and get to know your fellow students in tech. So we're going to start off with some upcoming events that ACM as a whole is hosting or collaborating or contributing to. First up is the EPP review session. So if you are taking the EPP, which is the programming proficiency test that CSUF gives every semester, definitely come to this. We give pretty great review sessions. Last time, most of the students really saw a resemblance between our review material and the EPP itself. So if you want to ensure that you're successful on that, definitely come out. That is Sunday, January 30th at 4 p.m. on the Discord server. One of our biggest events is Linux Fest. So Linux Fest is our premier event for helping students get the ToughX operating system installed on their computers. And that is scheduled for February 5th at 4 p.m. And keep an eye out for announcements, and we might even send out an email blast. So let your friends know who need to install ToughX for their class that we are hosting this multi-club event. We're really excited for this one. This is the CS faculty panel. And so we noticed a lot of students and even faculty had a hard time kind of communicating their experiences to one another. And so what we wanted to do is create a night that we could actually engage with our faculty, ask them pertinent questions about what is going on during this spring semester, and things that are not as obvious, like the new catalog, our curriculum, how to get an advisor even, things just as simple as that. And so the faculty is there to essentially interact with us and get our concerns addressed. And you'll get to hear what it's like on their side of the coin as well. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead and scan our QR code and drop the questions that we'll review for the panel. And that is Friday, February 19th at 5 p.m. via Zoom. So keep an eye out for the announcements on that one. And then we have the Diversity and Leadership Summit. This event is basically, it's a coalition of ECS clubs, and we're dedicated to creating this awesome event that is usually 2 days in person. We want to focus on uplifting the principles of diversity and leadership within the ECS college. And so currently we're in the planning phase of that, and we're having clubs like ACMW, SHIP, NESB, and a whole host of other clubs that are trying to put this awesome event together, even though it's online. So if you want to be part of this group of organizers who want to put this event on, definitely contact me or Beth on the Discord server, and we'll forward you to the right sources. Human Talks. They're meetings focused on connecting with one another and forming a sense of community, and basically looking at contemporary issues through the lens of computing. So, there are a lot of pressing issues within the world, and especially within tech. So if you want to get connected to those who want to have conversations that are productive and fruitful about those things, definitely check out ACMW and their Human Talk series. This is an interesting project because it's been in the works for quite a while, but CSUF is actually having their first virtual 24-hour long hackathon, and ACM is one of the partners for this event. We want to give a space for people who are just learning how to code. And even if you're not a beginner, you're free to attend as well. We're going to give a whole weekend for hackers to solve problems and come up with creative technology solutions. And we're really excited to have this after planning it for many, many months. We'll have awesome prizes. Follow us at our social media everywhere at Tuffy Hacks, I believe. You can even go to our website right now. We're currently doing some construction on it, so mind that, but you can definitely sign up right now at that link and at that QR code. So another one of our initiatives that involves collaboration is with the Video Game Development Club. If you ever wanted to learn game dev or a language, this is actually the perfect course because it teaches both. So we want to help students essentially learn Python through simple game development. And so our series collaboration is going to focus on creating a Python game with the arcade library. At the end, students should know the fundamentals of that programming language through creating that game. And also we'll be introducing the more nuanced things when it comes to game dev. So stay tuned for the updates on this one. This is another really big announcement that we made last semester during our fall end of term meeting, but we have ACM Paths. And ACM Paths are essentially new ways to kind of explore the field of computer science. We're introducing a couple new paths so that you can kind of get a foothold on what you like within the giant mass that is computer science. I think I'll pass it on to acmAlgo.
Hey everyone, the acmAlgo solely focuses on the problem solving, data structures, and algorithms. And we'll be getting through a lot of workshops this semester.
So our mission is to improve the algorithmic proficiency of students. We are priming our students to understand applied data structures / algorithms, enhancing problem-solving abilities, and exploring competitive programming skills.
Introducing ourselves, I'm Kavit Sangvi, and I'm the director of Algo, and I'm a grad student currently in my last semester.
Hi, I'm Parth Sharma. I'm an Algo officer. I'm a junior.
I'm Kevin Dillon. I'm a Algo officer and also a junior.
Hi everyone, I'm Danny. I'm a Algo intern, and this is my junior year as well. We'll be having our first workshop, which would be the intro to problem solving. In this workshop, we'll be focusing on introducing problem solving techniques for programming problems from sites like cheat code or hackering. It will be beginner friendly. We'll also talk about computational thinking and work on some interesting problems.
We have other events planned as well, which will introduce competitive programming and applied data structure, what they are, what makes them interesting, how to solve problems, and we will also go through many examples using HackerRank and LeetCode. So dates of those upcoming meetings will be finalized in our next meeting, next week, acmCreate.
Hi, you're probably wondering why it's back to me, Jacob. Well, I am also the director for acmCreate. And so what's our mission? Essentially, our mission is to educate members on the world of design and product. We aim to create a welcome environment for creatives in tech. And our goal is to enhance the design standards of ACM and promote inclusivity through better design practices. And here's our board. So hi, if you didn't already know, I'm Jacob. I am the Create Director. So Lisa is one of our Create officers, and she'll be helping with the Create meetings this semester.
All right, what's up, you guys? My name is Mike Ploythai. I am a second-year university student studying computer science, and I am also a Create officer.
Hi, I'm Matthias. I'm a second year, and I am a Create intern.
So what's our upcoming event? It's called So What's Design? And basically we'll be kicking off acmCreate by kind of introducing the world of design within tech and breaking down concepts like UX and UI, and also kind of informing everyone on the major updates to acmCreate. And that's going to be February 1st. That's Monday at 7 p.m. And so, yeah, join us then and see what's in store for acmCreate. I think I'll now pass it on to acmDev.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sam Sandoval, and I'm really thrilled to be leading acmDev and excited to share you what is acmDev and our plans for this semester.
So ACM's Dev's mission is to empower students to create hands-on projects in STEM fields that solve real-world problems. And we hope these projects can help unite passionate students to not only build their resumes, but also explore much more than they would in class. And our goals are to help assist in this learning process, which we will cover in our events.
So yeah, this is our team, and we'll kind of all introduce ourselves. So hey everyone, my name is Samuel Sandoval. I go by Sam, and I'm the Dev Director, second year studying computer science here. And yeah, excited to be with this team.
Hi, my name is Armand Ambia, and I'm a second year student. I'm a Dev Officer, and I'm really excited to work with all of you.
Hi, I'm Wesley. I'm also a second year, and I'm also a Dev Officer.
Hi, I'm Sammy. I'm also a second year, and I'm a Dev Intern, and I'm excited for the upcoming semester.
So our general meeting is going to be next week on February 5th at 6:30, and we're going to be going over our plans for the semester. We're going to talk to you guys about how we plan on working on all of these cool projects and the workshops that we have coming up, so don't miss it.
You can sign up with this QR code. It'll take you to a Google form with questions about your experience and interests in computer science. Don't worry, you don't need any previous experience to be able to participate. And if you have any questions, we'll be available after the meeting for a tabling session where you can talk to us in a Discord voice channel. To join, you'll have to fill out a Dev interest form.
So yeah, this is acmDev, and I'm really excited to help lead it. And again, kind of like what Sammy said, we are collecting kind of like member information so that we can kind of help with the team pairing process and make sure that everyone can work with us this semester and create amazing projects.
nodeBuds is the ACM and acmW mentorship program. Right now, we are just starting to restart this semester's group of mentors and mentees, and we'll be pushing out more information soon, but a quick summary. It's just to connect students who have specific skills and knowledge with each other, with the other students who want to learn the same skills, and move up in work, skill level, and school performance. And yeah, we try to pair each other with similar skills and hobbies. And we just revamped it last semester, going online. And this year, we're going to have another successful year. So if you guys are interested, we will be sending out more information soon. And on the board, there's myself. I am the ACM Vice President, Internal Vice President, and one of the nodeBuds officers. And we also have two people from acmW. There are two officers. And we have Eugene and Taylor. And then we also have Nicole, who was the previous ACM treasurer. And she's a grad student as well. We have the QR code. And so if you guys are interested, you can scan that and get started with the registration. And we also have our kickoff event, February 12th at 5 p.m. And so if you guys are interested, you can come join us.
Sorry to cut you off, Aaron. So I actually have my mentee. So I'm a part of nodeBuds actually, and I served as a mentor this past semester. And I kind of wanted to just have my mentee talk about his experience with this whole virtual mentorship system.
This program, honestly, it helped me a lot. My friend, he was getting into it and he told me about it. And obviously, I honestly don't have any background in programming. So then I need like someone to help me. And I knew I couldn't just pass by this like opportunity. I obviously went to it. Jacob helped me so many times. Like I had no idea what I was doing. He helped me with classes, but he's also helping me work on like internships or with resumes. And we're just trying to build a project for the meantime right now.
Thanks, Christian. All right, on to acmCSUF General. So we have our workshop board as well. And so I'm going to transition it off to them.
Hey guys, I'm Johnson and I'm one of the co-workshop managers.
Hi, I'm Shalin Mathur. I am also one of the co-workshop managers at ACM. I am a second year undergraduate computer science student at Cal State Fullerton.
Hello, I'm Kevin Sierras. I'm the workshop intern and I'm a junior.
Okay, so the goal of ACM Workshop is to provide practical workshops and demonstrations for a broad range of programming technologies and languages. And we also want to emphasize non-technical skill building through things like LinkedIn, resume building, and networking.
We're planning on hosting, a variety of workshops, ranging from, the basics of Git and GitHub to, creating your own game and mobile applications. And, our goal is to just start a beginner-friendly standpoint, almost starting from scratch and basically gradually building our way into a more advanced territory.
So our first workshop is called Intro to Git and GitHub. We will be going over the installations and common uses of Git and GitHub. Now, this is very important because in classes, you guys will be using this a lot, especially if you are in the computer science field and in the workforce. It will be happening at February 12th at 3:30 p.m.
I believe we have a CodeSprint 20 project demo. So CodeSprint was essentially a program we had last semester where we built a curriculum on React Native, and we're really excited to show you the results from one of our members.
Yeah, so there's this first page, which asks, what did you just complete? It's pretty simple. There are 3 buttons: project, test, and quiz. I guess I click on the project one. Then it takes you to a second page where it has 3 other buttons and asks how you think you did. I guess I click on we think we did bad. And then it gives you this quote from Kung Fu Panda, giving you some motivation if you think you did bad. I think I pressed the test button, probably. Yeah. And it takes you to the same page. And right now it only takes you to the same page, and then it gives you another quote. If you did well, then it gives you this Bruce Lee quote to stay humble. Yeah, it's pretty simple, but I can help with creating apps with buttons and showing custom pages with custom text and images, basically.
Really impressed, especially since most of the folks who were doing this started from scratch, didn't know JavaScript or React or React Native. And so they just pretty much built their way up and were able to do this. And that's all we have for you folks. We'll continue the meeting during tabling. So thank you for joining us on Zoom, everyone.